Hello Brownsville, and welcome to the very first episode of BPUB's Top 5, where we highlight the most impactful projects, programs, and services provided by BPUB. I am your host, Monica Llamas. Today, we're focusing on one of our most essential initiatives, the Resaca Restoration Program. Throughout this program, BPUB is restoring these critical resources to improve infrastructure, protecting ecosystems, and creating space for our community to enjoy. Let's go down to the top 5 benefits and how they're making a difference for our city. Starting with enhanced water storage capacity, BPUB is continuing its ongoing resaca maintenance by dredging Resaca de la Guerra. This is to increase raw water capacity for Water Plant 2, which supplies drinking water for our whole community. Additionally, dredging operations at BPUB reservoirs aim to increase raw water storage capacity. These efforts ensure a more reliable water supply for Brownsville residents and businesses, while supporting long-term drought resilience. The Restore Act Town Resaca Watershed Project, funded through a U.S. Treasury grant administered by TCEQ, is tackling flooding head-on by removing over 57,000 cubic yards of sediment from Town Resaca. With dredging now complete, bank stabilization and infrastructure improvements are underway to further reduce flood risks in areas like Palm Boulevard. Restored ecosystems. Restoring our ecosystems is at the heart of both the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Brownsville Resaca Project and the U.S. Bureau of Reclamation Water Smart Grant Project. The USACE Brownsville Resaca Project received a New Start designation, allowing the project to proceed with the construction phases. Contract 1 is currently under review. Meanwhile, the Water Smart initiative focuses on Resaca de la Guerra by removing invasive vegetation and installing 3 stormwater treatment units to filter debris before runoff enters the resacas. As an added bonus, these efforts will also create healthier habitats for federally protected species like the turtles and migratory birds. Coming in at number 4 is new recreational opportunities. Brownsville's resacas aren't just functional. They're becoming destinations for recreation. The Water Smart Grant Project will add over 2,000 linear feet of walking trails along the Resaca de la Guerra. These trails will provide residents and visitors with opportunities for bird watching, fishing, or simply enjoying nature. And finally, number 5, sustainability. The USACE project is setting the gold standard for long-term planning with a 75-year maintenance plan. That means that resacas restored today will remain functional and beneficial for decades to come. And here's where it all ties together. BPUB's Resaca fee plays a crucial role in making the sustainability possible. This fee directly funds the equipment and operations needed to maintain dredging activities, improve infrastructure, and ensure long-term health of Brownsville's resacas. And here you have it, the top 5 ways BPUB's Resaca Restoration Program is transforming Brownsville, from flood control to ecosystem restoration to recreation opportunities. These projects are making a real impact in our community while ensuring transparency and accountability with every step of the way. We're proud to serve you through initiatives like this one. If you have questions or want more information about these projects or your Resaca fee contributions, visit us at brownsvillepub.com. Thank you for watching this episode of BPUB's Top 5. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, or follow us for updates as we work together to build a stronger, healthier Brownsville.